Morning everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a standard Gmail and verify by Google. Do you know Gmail is really important. We can use it for work communication, business communication, contact, and more activities. Unfortunately, today there are many hackers who can overtake you if you do not verify your account or our Gmail is not standard. Okay, in this video, I will fix it for you. If you want to solve the problem, come on and let's go. Step 1. You search Gmail. Click on Create a Gmail. You can see this Create an account. Click on. For the name, I recommend putting our real name better than fake because benefit of the real name, it is easy to remember and easy to recall when you forget your Gmail password. Okay. Put your name. And password, I recommend we can put with the lowercase and uppercase letter, sign and number like this. Example. Next, I recommend you put the phone number, real phone number, like this information, date of birth, the real two, gender. If you are female, click female. If you are male, click male. Next. Okay. Click agree. Okay. Step 2. Okay, now we make our account with the standard email. We can click on Google account and manage your account and click on security. Okay, now we can recovery with the phone number and email, but I try to recovery with the email. Example like not it. We can recovery phone or email. It is not an account used in Google now, but we can put another account like our close friend account, your family account, so that we can be trust. Totally, if you can do this, no one can hack your account. Okay, at last, thank you for helping me. Thank you for your time. See you next video. Have a good day. Subscribe for more.